Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chrishelle Chevon, and today we are going to be fixing the lace on one of my favorite wigs. I don't know how I got a hole in it. Like, it's like a hole. I don't know how this happened, but I'm going to show you all how to fix holes in your lace wigs on the actual lace. So can y'all, let me put something that's a color back here so y'all can see the hole. So that's the hole right there. See that? How that happened, I have no idea. Like, she wasn't hooked on nothing. I haven't been plucking apart. I don't know what happened. Maybe I combed it too hard or something. Who knows? But anyways, I'm going to show you all how to fix it, and all you need is 3 things to fix this. First, you need some clear thread. So this is like 100%, can y'all see that? 100% nylon, and it's literally like clear thread. Like, it's just clear. So it kind of feels plastic. But you need some clear nylon thread, some scissors, and your sewing needles. So I'm going to use a skinny regular sewing needle because I don't want to use my weaving needle that I make like my wigs with or sew my tracks in with. I don't want to use that because those tend to be thicker, and I don't want to stretch the holes in the lace. So you see the lace has these little, can y'all even see this? Yeah, so you see how small the lace holes are. I don't want to go stretching them out. So first you want to thread your needle. Yeah, the needle will come out. But yeah. So I already got a piece that I pre-cut. You want to thread the needle. This is not sewing class, y'all, but is it focused? Yeah, so, boom. Thread it through there. And you want to get you a long enough piece. Like, I really didn't need this long of a piece, but you want to make sure that it's long enough so that you don't have to go back in and have to do another, I don't even know how to explain it, but like, you don't want a lot of knots up under your wig, because I'm about to tie this lace, this thread. I'm going to do like maybe 3 or 4 knots, just so that I know that the knot is big enough that it won't come through the lace. So you want to do it like, and all I'm doing is just taking this. It's hard for me to focus this, y'all. Taking it, tying it around, and just pulling it through. But I'm making sure the knot stays right there. That's my 3rd time. I'm gonna do it one more time. So we're gonna tie it 4 times. And boom. So this should be big enough to not come through the lace on the wig. So I'm gonna start inside out. Lord, look at this hoe. So what you want to do is start, I'm going to say start where it is no lace. So like, I'm going to start it back here on this black piece, because I don't want you to be able to see my knot like sitting up under here. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like if you don't do it on the black. So if I just stick this through here on the lace, you can't really, okay, yeah, you can't see. So let me pull it up. So you see that? If you do it where the actual lace is, you can see the clear thread. So that's why I'm saying don't do it where the lace is. And you want to start on the black. Hopefully I can pull this back out. without the drama. Okay, so I got that. Now, I'm going to, like I said, start from the inside, and I'm going to set it down on this mirror so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here is your hole right there. So what you want to do is start closest to the black part. So you really, wherever you're doing this, like even if it's not just a middle part lace and it's like a full lace wig, start somewhere where it's hair and it's not on the actual part. When the hole is in the part, start where there's hair so you can kind of hide this knot, because if you do this knot on this actual lace, you'll be able to see it through there. So what you want to do is start closest to this black piece or some hair, whatever the circumstances are for your wig, and you just want to start and thread the needle into the wig. Then from here you just want to go edge to edge, so you want to get as close as you can to the lining of the hole. So like the edge right here, y'all see that, like this part, you want to get as close as you can to this, but not to the actual edge, because if you do it to the actual edge it might rip. So you want to just go like 2 holes behind that, like so. 1, 2, and then you just start to sew. So I'm just gonna take this, I'm gonna just keep looping it over like this. I'm not gonna go back and forth like the zigzag, I'm just gonna loop and pull. So I'm coming back to this side again, and I'm gonna go connect the edges, pull it. Now don't pull it too tight. Edges and pull it through. Connect the edges, pull it through. I'm gonna keep doing that till I get to the end, and then I'm gonna bring it back to this side. Okay, so as of right now, the hole is closed. But I don't want my knot to be in the middle of this lace. So I have to either come over here to this side, or I can take it back that way. So it really depends. I feel like if I go back this way, I'm going to be making this thicker. So then I might have a hump. So I'm just going to slide this over here to this black. I'm not even going to stitch through the lace. I'm just going to pull it over here. So that way it's out the way. I'm not making any more humps and bumps. I'm just going to slide it across and knot it up. Do my 5 knots so that it doesn't come back through the lace. see when I flip it back over that your hole is gone. And 5. This might be 6. I don't know. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my scissors and we are going to snip you. So here we are. Voila. Okay, people. So here we are. Lace closed up. But of course, it's like a line going across there. Do we care? No. Because we are going to get us some alright. So here we go. Closed hole. Can't even tell it was a hole there. But you see this white line of thread going across there. So what we're going to do is put some concealer on that, just like we did any other time. I'm going to do concealer first so it kind of can get like wet and stick to the thread, and then do some powder so it can really, really stick. But I'm going to put it on the outside, and I'm going to flip it in the inside, and I'm going to do it on the outside. And that's how that goes. And I'm going to try it on for y'all, so y'all can see that there's no more holes. Alright, so I'm going to take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm just going to dab it where the thread is. And I'm going to go on the inside, and I'm going to pretty much paint the thread. I'm just going to rub it in. I have to do it on the entire part. I'm going to do the entire part. But it's not a white side anymore. Alright, so I just put it all down the center, and I'm going to take my little fluffy brush and just buff it in. I'm going to see if we need to do powder. Alrighty, so that is her. I feel like you still can see it a little bit. That's up against the light side of my finger. Okay. So let's try her on and see what she's getting. Alright. Bada boom, bada bam. What hoe? No hoe. And we're done. She looking crazy. Girl, you looking crazy. Tangled it all up. The whole time I probably got a hoe raking it. I'm heavy-handed, so I just be snatching on these wigs. Sorry, Lena. You know I love you, girl. Y'all know this is one of my favorite wigs. And when I seen that hoe, first of all, I saw the hoe when I was at work. I was like, what the? That is not how that go. Boom. No more hoe. What hoe? No hoe. Even though I'm told, and people probably didn't even see it, the fact of the matter is, it was a hoe. We fixed it. I showed you how to do it with 3 simple items. Our 100% nylon, clear nylon thread, a needle, and some scissors. That's it. And then when you're done, boom, concealer, and you're back in business. And it's that easy. So people, let me know how you like this video. If you have any lace wigs that have tears in them, please don't throw them away, especially if they still good and the hair still looks nice. Like, don't throw them away. Just get you some nylon thread, sew that thing up. Make sure you put the knot on the side of the part or wherever the hole is. Just make sure you hide the knot part of the thread under the hair. And keep your part clear. And yes, try it out. Don't throw your wigs away. We are reviving these wigs, people. Okay? So yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do y'all be hearing me say subscribe? Like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below and let me know if I saved your life with nylon thread. And I will see you all later. Toodaloo. Build the pie hole.